Pro Exterior Services here with another house wash. Actually, half a house. We're not doing the sides, we're just doing the front and back for whatever reason. She also wants this shed done. By the way, this was a referral from Josh. Hey, appreciate that. Can't thank you enough, man. Definitely. Give me a call. We'll do a drink for sure. All right, anyway, so we're going to be doing the back of the house. So we're going to wash all this. We're going to do Tony's own property protection. And we're going to hit this pool decking. So first thing we're going to do is hit the pool decking because she's not home. She wants to put some towels by the doors. So I said, no problem. We'll start here. And then we just plan to probably, let me look at it. You got different options the way to do this. Beautiful pool. We could probably come in with a hot mix and spike it, or we can come in with the surface cleaner, get most of it up and post treat it with a good post treat. It ain't that bad over here, so it's probably what we'll do is and back down the ball valve. And if she wants this wood shed done, but you know, I don't really know what we can do with that. It's full of stuff. Anyway, we're on water. Tony's on PP, and then I'm gonna go ahead and move all this stuff and get it ready to do the pool deck. So we'll catch up with some footage. Peace. Hey guys, Anthony just cranked the machine. We always crank our pressure washer, even our AR, with the valve open. And when we, with idle down, let it warm up, then we let it roll, and then we close it. And then he'll come in when we turn it off, or me, we'll idle it down and, you know, hose open, shut it down. So here it is. So we'll come in here and do a little wash off with some of this debris. Just ball valving it, no big deal. It's a good opportunity for you to water your plants if you think you're gonna come in with something. So, you know, water all this. But all this is gonna do is just help us get any little rocks in. We're gonna try to surface clean this area. Kick this back a little bit. Hey Tony, you got volume all the way up, huh? I mean, we'll take that tip. So we're gonna get any rocks, any debris. Let's get it knocked out right away. Homeowner is on her way home. They want to put some towels down, so we're all good. Any stuff on here we're gonna get off. Yeah, we've been hot here lately a lot, but you know, kind of kooky weather right now. But it's been good. We've been blessed with work. Can't complain. There you go. I knew we didn't have it up all the way. I could tell. That's when you know your equipment right there, baby. So you could come in potentially. Look, that stuff's coming right up. You could potentially come in with a post treat, hit it, let it sit while you do other work. But we just decided we're going to go ahead and hit it. We got to wait anyway, so we're going to do both. So it's going to look good. Beautiful property. Got a nice creek down there. Nice pool. So yeah, we're gonna get this done. Get your before and after photos too, guys. Time to do it. There's so many jobs I walk off of, and my we're just gonna squirt this down a little bit. She wants us to do them chairs right here, so we're gonna squirt that down a little bit. Yeah, you get rocked in the surface cleaner, it's kind of a pain. So again, open the valve up a little bit, you get a lot less flow, just water them plants down. Be alright. I can't kill that monkey grass stuff, but yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let me finish rinsing this off. And then that's our process. If this was chipped up, we would not even use a surface cleaner. But after evaluating it, it's pretty good shape. We're gonna back it off a little bit, and it won't be bad. So we'll get it done. All right, guys, catch up in a minute. Peace. All right, guys, this is us surface cleaning. You see how nice it's coming out already? Doing circle motions. For whatever reason, that's Anthony. He's the surface cleaner VP too, along with PPVP, property protection, vice president. So I'm gonna go and check the water, get something to drink. He's gonna finish this in about 10 minutes. We've been here about 10 minutes. Moved all the stuff, and we're gonna wash all them chairs for her. But yeah, we'll be finished this here in a minute. Hit those stairs, front, back, out. Oh, we got to do something with that shed. We'll figure it out. All right, guys, catch up. Peace. We're in this little hut. We did the back of the house, the pool, got all that done. Got a little bit in the front to do, but had a little conversation with the homeowner, and I said, look, I don't know what your expectation is out here, you know, but there's this lot going on, and they were just like, just spray it down, whatever you can, especially the screens, you know. So I'm gonna spray the screens down. And one other thing we noticed with the homeowner is the fans aren't outdoor fans. I always confirm that with the homeowner. If they don't know, I tell them, or I look at them. But just to get rid of all that green stuff. I almost didn't want to do it, but anyway, so we're gonna rinse. I'm just gonna rinse this off here in a minute and be done. Move the bigger stuff, rinse some of that stuff. Alright. Okay, so far we're done. For what? Huh? I'll be doing no dumb shit. Alright guys, get this wrapped up here. Call it a day. We'll catch up. Alright, peace.